Day 5, we started with another hearty breakfast. And we took the dog for a walk down to have a look, see what the rapids were doing. She wasn't impressed. But we all jumped in and paddled down to the top of the rapids. When we reached the top, we pulled over and decided to have a go over the rapids one at a time. First one down. Set the bar. It was looking good. Quick debate about who was going next. And then number 2 was off. And it looked really good fun. And then I set off with my passenger on board to be the last down.
All good, all good, all good. Can I paddle? Paddle? I'm paddling. That's quite rough. There's a rock! Can I paddle yet? Can I paddle yet? We're going the wrong way. We're going the wrong way. We're doing that sideways. Way sideways.
We got a little bit tangled up, went sideways for a while, but managed to straighten it out.
Paddle rocks, rocks. Is it really? Huh? Rich says further down. Rich says further down.
And that was it. It was probably our most interesting set of rapids on the entire trip due to the height of the river. So far we'd had 5 days and nobody had been in. So we set off underneath Biblin's Bridge, further on down and towards Monmouth, and under Monmouth Bridge. Other side of Monmouth, the sun came out, lots of fishermen to be seen. And we just wound our way down through the valley. The last few set of rapids here and there, but nothing too daunting. A little bit more backwards action.
Backwards.
and it turned out to be a really sunny afternoon. Eventually we reached Rockweir Bridge with the exit point. Now this was a bit of a new challenge. The river gets tidal this far down, so we didn't want to go down as far as Tinton. Rockweir was as far as we went down all in all, but the river had already started to drop off quite a bit, and the exit steps were 2 or 3 foot above the canoe, which made it a bit of a challenge for me getting out. We decided that a passenger on board my kayak hanging onto the side would help steady it for me, and with the help of a rescue rope and a couple of willing volunteers, they were able to drag me up and get me onto the step. So we sat up on the bank in the sun to celebrate with some orange juice, fizzy pop, and we had some cream teas. And that was it. 100 miles over 5 days, some great camping, a few pubs, a couple of good fry-ups, lots of things to see, and some great company along the way. So I'd recommend it to anyone. Get your kayak out or your canoe and take that trip. Thanks for watching.